How should DJs organize their music library? Okay, I'm gonna give you one tip. This is one thing that I've been doing for a few years now, and it served me really, really well. I learned this from Phil of Digital DJ Tips. Ito yung technique namin dati. So, ang gagawin mo is hindi ka mag-organize doon sa DJ app that you're using. Instead, you're going to be using something known as iTunes. Yan, lahat ng mga computer meron ganyan. On a Mac, meron. On PC, meron din. All you need to do is to download it. Tapos, dyan mo ilalagay lahat ng mga kanta mo. So, all my playlists are here. Yung mga kanta na binili ko sa iTunes, nandito din. Yung mga kanta na galing sa DJ City, nandito din. I've dumped everything into this iTunes library. The secret is you need to enable this setting doon sa preferences. Copy files to music media folder when adding to library. Basically, yung gagawin niya, ilalagay niya lahat ng mga kanta dito sa music, papunta sa iTunes na folder. Click on that, go to iTunes Media, go to Music, and then all of your files will be here. So ito, lahat ng mga kanta ko, lahat ng mga MP3, lahat ng mga wave. Since I ever started DJing and collecting digital music, nandito silang lahat, and I can access everything right from here in my iTunes library. And then, ang gagawin ko na lang is i-access ko yung mga playlist, pati kanta ko dito sa loob ng aking DJ software. But basically, it's referencing all of my songs and playlists from my iTunes library. So, for example, I'm using Algorithms DJ Pro. So, nandito lahat ng mga playlist ko that you saw earlier. Nandiyan siya. And, yeah, it's basically a 1:1 importation of all of these songs. So I can organize everything in this nice little interface, and I can use practically any DJ app, whether it's Algorithm DJ, I can use Virtual DJ, Serato Tractor, Rekordbox, at kung ano-ano pa. So it's very versatile, and that basically means hindi ka tali sa kahit anong DJ software na gamit mo dahil yung DJ library mo ay outside of the DJ software, it's in iTunes.